Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if someone pukes in your car. So this is a bit of a story time, but on my second ride, I had a guy puke in my car. I picked him up from a wedding, and he was so drunk that he couldn't even walk straight, and he was stumbling everywhere. He gets in the car, and the ride was about a 25-minute ride. The ride started out fine, he passed out, but then about halfway through, he just started puking everywhere. Inside the car, out the window, he just made a mess. Anyway, the reason why I'm mentioning this is because of the cleanup. Lyft and Uber work with cleaning companies to get this issue fixed ASAP. In my case, in the region I live in San Francisco, they recommended using Spotless first. This particular cleaning company is open 24 hours a day and they come straight to your door. So the car got cleaned ASAP and the lady had professional cleaning equipment, so it was legit. I watched her steam clean the seats and she had some chemical to get the puke smell out. She did a pretty good job too. I mean, there was puke everywhere. Hiding in crevices, inside the door panel. She even had a few tools to get the puke out from places like the door panel. And the best part is it's free to you. Lyft will bill the rider. So make sure once the incident happens to take pictures of the damage and submit it to Lyft's customer service to get the process started. Make sure you take at least 4 pictures of the damage though, and that's how it'll be free. You should get a reimbursement from Lyft within a few days. You'll see it the same way that you get paid for rides, but it'll show up on a different line saying reimbursement. Going back to the day that the Spotless First lady actually cleaned the car, they pre-authorize your credit card, but they don't actually charge it until you get your reimbursement from Lyft. How cool is that? They work together, and Lyft tells Spotless once they've dispersed the money to you. Then you'll see the final charge on your credit card from Spotless. Not a fun situation to be in, and you'll lose time not being able to drive. But at least you won't have to clean it up or pay for it. Hope this information helped you guys, and if it did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.